with their uses. Then we'll have a small tour of our campus. Let me introduce myself first. I am Dr. Ragini, MD scholar in Dravyagun Vigyan. Dravyagun Vigyan, you can say herbal pharmacology. Let's begin with our first drug, herbal drug, Amalaki. The Indian gooseberry. Its Latin name is Amalaki officinalis, family Euphorbiaceae. In Sanskrit, it is known as Dhatri because it nourishes like a mother. And it is also known as Amrit Phala because of its benefits. In local language, it is known as Amla. You must have heard about this plant. It is a small tree of small and moderate size which grows up to a height of 10 to 15 meters. Its leaves are feathery, having oblong shaped leaflets. Oblong as in like oval, elongated oval you can say. In next slide we can see the shape of leaves. It bears green to yellow color flowers. Fruits are hard, segmented into 6 lobes and present in clusters. Raw fruits are green in color, whereas it becomes greenish yellow on ripening. Fruits contain triangular seeds having sharp edges. You can see this image. It's a tree having this feathery leaves. Shape of the leaves you can see is oblong, oval, elongated oval, greenish yellow flowers, and this beautiful fruit. There is one fresh fruit and dried fruit. Last images of seeds of amla.
PPT will be shared or not?
Yeah, it will be shared. Ras Panchak, medicinal properties. In Dravyagun, we deal with 6 type of rasa. Madhur, Amla, Lavan, Madhur, Amla, Lavan, Katu, Tik, Kashay. In Amla, there are 5 ras. Only one is missing. Madhur, Amla, Katu, Tik, Kashay. There is no Lavan ras. Lavan as in salty. Madhur is compared with sweet, Amla, salt, Katu is pungent, Tik is bitter, Kashay is astringent. So you can see only one ras is missing. So you can see how many benefits it could have. Goodness, guru, ruksh, heaviness, dry, and sheath. Its potency is sheath, cold. Vipak of amla is sweet. It acts on all the 3 doshas. Its part used is fruit. This is the powder of its fruit and second image of its juice. Moving on to the therapeutic uses of amla. First one is eye disorders. Soak amla powder in 1 glass of water overnight and then use it for washing of eyes. This will increase the eyesight. Juice of amla can be used in morning as eye drops for the inflammation of eyes. Basically, you can do the soak the powder overnight and use it as washing, or you can use it as eye drops. Second is graying of hairs. Amla powder is mixed with equal amount of bhringraj powder. Bhringraj is another medicinal herb which is easily available in the market. And then consume it in a dose of half teaspoon 2 times a day. Diabetes. Amla juice is given orally with haldi powder and honey. Haldi is turmeric.
You have told soap powder, means a soap of amla, or can't you go for the juice of amla in the eye?
I already told you, na? As eye drops, you can use its juice, or
There is a soap amla. I feel that the water of that.
Can we do the questions later?
listen. We'll take the query session at the end. You can mark the points or you can note it down. Anemia, like lack of RBCs. Anemia is common nowadays. In anemia, juice of amla and juice of sugar cane should be taken with honey. Acidity. It is very effective in hyperacidity. Amla powder should be consumed daily on empty stomach. Keep one thing in mind. In hyperacidity, one should consume the drug always empty stomach. Mouth disorders. Decoction of amla should be used for gargles in morning. How decoction is prepared? Take 1 part of amla powder and 4 parts of water. Reduce it till 1/4.
Just slowly go, because I had not read that, that's why I questioned.
Okay.
Slowly.
Rasayan for rejuvenation. Powder of amla is to be taken with lukewarm water daily at night. It is very good for anti-aging. It heals the tissues. It slows the aging process. Raktpit as in nosebleed, which is quite common in summers. In intense heat can cause nosebleed. What you can do is roast the powder of amla with ghee properly, then make a paste by adding water. Apply that paste on forehead of the patient. Next, formulations of amla. Triphala. You guys know about triphala?
Yes.
In triphala, harad, baheda, amla. All three are to be taken in equal amount. Okay. Second one is Chyawanprash. Many of you have used it in COVID time. Chyawanprash.
Yes.
Many of you, all of you. It is very good for immunity. Third one is amla candy. It is best option for kids who don't prefer to eat this powder and all juices. Use of amla in Panchkarma procedures. Virection. Virection is inducing loose motions. Basically, it is a procedure in Panchkarma. You will know about it later in practical classes. Triphala churn 3 to 6 grams to be taken daily before going to bed. This will help in relieving constipation. Second is Udvartan. Udvartan, you guys know about it? It is basically it is a massage with powder.
Yes, yes, we
Powder
have.
massage. Okay. Powder of Triphala is being used for Udvartan to reduce weight. In case of obesity, it is being used. The third one is Takradhara. Shirodhara, you guys know about it? Decoction of amla is prepared until 1/6 of the water remains. Here it is specified. It is we have to reduce the water till 1/6, not 1/4. Then add equal amount of buttermilk in it. Then it is used for Takradhara process. Netra Tarpan. Netrapan, do you have any idea?
Yeah, eyes.
Okay, let me show you in the next slide. Netra Tarpan, Triphala Grit is being used for Tarpan Karm, which improves eyesight. Just a minute. Hello. Netra Tarpan, Triphala Grit is being used for Tarpan Karm, which improves eyesight. First image is of Udvartan. Second is generally for Virection process. Third is Netra Tarpan. Netra Tarpan is basically pouring of ghee all over the eyes. And last one is Takradhara. Second one is Yashtimadhu. Yashtimadhu licorice. Its Latin name is Glycyrrhiza glabra, family Papilionaceae. Its Sanskrit name is Yashtimadhu and Madhuk. Why it is called as Madhuk? Because it is too sweet. Its stem, roots, all the parts are of Yashtimadhu are sweet in taste. Local name is Mulethi. Mulethi. It is being used in kitchen, widely used by our grandmother and grandfather. Yeah. It is a herbaceous It is a herbaceous plant, 1 to 2 meter high, having a woody stem. Leaves are small, dark green colored with oval to elliptical in shape. Apex of leaves is broad. Flowers are characteristic purple or whitish blue colored, present in clusters. Fruit is pod shaped, long, flat, glabrous. Usually have 3 to 5 brown colored seeds. You can see the leaves of Yashtimadhu and its flower. Third image is of its roots, then fruit and its seeds. It will help in the identification of this plant in case you are somewhere else. Raspanchak, medicinal qualities. As I already told you, it is sweet. Ras is sweet. Guru, heaviness. Then oily. Virya, potency is also cold, just like amla. Vipak is sweet. Effect on dosha is it pacifies vat and pit dosh. Its part used is roots. Therapeutic uses of Yashtimadhu. It is a very good brain tonic. It is one of the 4 Medhya Rasayans which are told by our Acharya Charaka. Powder of mulethi should be consumed regularly with half cup of water. It will act as a very good brain tonic. Second is Vatra, gout. Gout is basically deposition of uric acid. Local application of oil prepared from its root, mulethi root and gambhari root, which is also available in the market. You can purchase from there. Local application of oil prepared from these 2 plants can be used in gout. Anemia, decoction or powder of mulethi should be consumed with honey. Difficulty in speaking. Sometimes some kids, some patients faces difficulty in speaking. In that cases, decoction of mulethi should be taken after adding ghee in it. Hoarseness of voice and cough. So, hoarseness as in gala बैठ जाता है जिसको बोलते हैं हम. Small liquorized sticks of 2 to 3 centimeter in length are chewed and the juice is swallowed slowly to relieve hoarseness of voice. Stanne Vardhanat, milk producing. Mulethi powder with equal amount of mishri powder to be taken with milk. It will act as milk enhancer. Blurring of eyes. In case of blurring vision, washing of eyes should be done with decoction of mulethi and amalaki. Blood vomiting. Milk prepared from mulethi and chandan should be taken orally. In the cases of epilepsy, powder of mulethi should be used with Kushmand ras for 3 days. Kushmand is kaddu, pumpkin.
Can we consider Kushmand in way of instead of milk? Alternate to milk, because BRC milk is not preferable to drink.
In which case you are talking
case,
about?
regular.
No, according to Acharyas, milk should be preferred, especially for just like I said, for brain tonic. It acts like brain tonic. You have to take it with milk. In malnutrition and for weight gain, shunthi powder and mulethi powder should be consumed regularly. Shunthi is dry ginger powder. Shunthi is dry ginger powder. As a face pack, liquorize if applied on the face can improve complexion. Useful in acne, blemishes, acne scars and blackheads. For oily skin, what you can do is make a paste of fine powder of licorice with water. Apply it on your face, leave it for 5 to 15 minutes, then wash it off with hot water. And you can add chandan also, sandalwood. in equal proportion to the above paste to make it more effective. Dry skin. Mix 5 grams of mulethi powder with 10 to 15 drops of kumkum adi tel. It is a formulation, prepared formulation. Apply it evenly as a face pack and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash off with lukewarm water. Acidity and stomach ulcers. As I already told you, it is sheath virya, cold potency drug. It is sheath pak. Yashtimadhu sheath pak is a formulation which is quite effective in gastritis. This herb is processed in the milk to make this sheath pak. Use of mulethi in Panchkarma procedure. It is being used as a nasse. Nasse is nasal drop. Decoction of mulethi with a little honey to be used as nasal drops. It relieves headache due to migraine. Next is Pradhaman Nasse. Pradhaman Nasse, do you have any idea? In Nasse, oil is being used. But in Pradhaman Nasse, we use powder of the drugs. You will learn it later in the Panchkarma classes. In hiccups, hitchki, hiccups, fine powder of mulethi is being used as Pradhaman Naste. Third is Karn Puran, pouring of medicated liquid or oil in all over the ear, into the ear. Milk prepared with mulethi and draksha. Draksha is munakka. Grape. Dry grape. Is used for Karn Puran. Third one is Pern Beech. Pern Beech, air plant, its Latin name is Bryophyllum pinnatum, family Crassulaceae. Its Sanskrit name is Patra Bija or Rakt Kusum. Its local name is Pathar Chata. Have you heard about it? Pathar Chat?
Yeah. For kidney stone.
For kidney stone. It's famous drug for kidney stones. It is a long-lived, fleshy, herbaceous plant with upright stem. Its relatively broad, fleshy leaves have crenate margin. You can see the margin of leaves in the first image. Leaflets are oval, narrowly oval in shape with rounded tips. It drooping bell-shaped flowers, pinkish and red in color. You can see the flowers in the third image. It looks like drooping. These flowers are borne in branch clusters at the top of its stems. Tiny plantlets may occasionally be found in the margin of these leaflets. Here you can see the tiny plantlets in the image.
Yeah, second.
These small tiny platelets.
Yeah.
Medicinal properties of Pathar Chata. Its rus is astringent, sour, gun is light and dry, potency is cold, vipak is madhur, sweet, and it also diminishes vat with doshas. Its part used is leaves. Therapeutic uses of Pathar Chata are: first is wound. Paste of Pathar Chata leaf should be applied locally over the wound. Or you can do one thing: slightly warm the Pern Beech Pathar Chata leaf and then crush them and tie on the wound. It will help the wound to heal faster and also eliminate the scar. Bleeding piles. Juice of Pathar Chata leaf should be consumed on a regular basis. Dysentery. Dysentery is abdominal pain with motion when you have cramps. Decoction of Pathar Chata leaves with bilv. Bilv is bale fruit, is given in a dose of 30 to 40 ml. Painful menstruation. Cold infusion or juice of Pathar Chata is given to the patient of dysmenorrhea. Common cold. Administration of 5 ml of Pathar Chata leaves 3 times a day is beneficial in common cold. The most important use kidneys for kidney stone urinary calculi. 10 grams of pathar chatta leaves in 100 ml of water. Take twice a day, and you can give the decoction with 500 grams shilajit and 2 tablespoons of honey mixed in it for to make it more effective. Basically what you have to do is use the decoction. Bleeding diarrhea. Administration of 3 to 6 grams juice of pathar chatta leaves with cumin seeds. Cumin is jeera seeds and double quantity of ghee thrice a day controls the blood flow in diarrhea. Use of pathar chatta and panchkarma procedure. Joint pains. Grind 7 fresh leaves into a poultice. Poultice is like a pot leaf. And apply that poultice evenly to the affected area twice a day, morning and night, as often as needed to get the relief from joint pains. Fourth is Mahaneem. Mahaneem, Persian lilac. Latin name is Melia azadirae, family Meliaceae. Sanskrit name is Rameko drake. Local name is Bakayan. Bakayan or Dharik. Have you heard about it? It's not that much common. Neem is different and Mahaneem is different. It's Mahaneem, not Neem. These are two different plants. We have in our campus date, right. We have both these plants in our campus.
So leaf is big in Mahaneem.
Leaves and there is profuse branching in Mahaneem. It is a medium-sized tree, 45 meter tall, having profuse branches. Leaflets are ovate or elliptical in shape with pointed apex, just like neem. They are dark green above and light green below with serrate margins. All of you know about the margins of neem. Have you seen the neem now?
Yes.
The flowers are small, fragrant with purple colored petals growing in clusters. Fruit is marble sized green colored when unripe and yellow, light yellow at maturity, hanging on the tree all winters, gradually becoming wrinkled and almost white. These are the 3 different stages of fruit. First is unripe green colored, second is yellow after ripening, and third is shrinked white. Medicinal qualities. Its ras is katu tek kashay, gun laghu ruksh, virya sheath vipak katu, and it also diminishes cough death doshas. Its part uses bark, leaves, roots, seeds. Basically all the parts are being used in as medicinal purpose. Its therapeutic uses are sciatica, low back ache pain. It's quite common nowadays. Take root bark 10 grams and nirgundi leaves. Nirgundi is another medicinal herb. In water and prepare its decoction till water reduces to 1/4. Filter it and drink twice a day. Fever and malaria. Decoction of the root bark is used in the treatment of malaria even before the introduction of quinine. Joint disorders. Oil from the seed should be locally applied in joint related diseases. In skin disorders, extract fresh leaf juice or make paste of its fruit and apply on the affected areas like itching or ringworm cases. In mouth ulcers, gum problem or bad breath, take the bark of Mahaneem and boil in water. Add alum and gargle it to cure mouth ulcers. In piles, extract leaf juice and drink thrice a day, or you can do the next method. Take bark, cut in pieces, put it in a container having water till night, then filter it and get filtrate. Take 10 ml twice in a day for 1 month, or take the bark of the plant, dry and make powder. Take 5 gram powder with jaggery. Jaggery is good. Twice a day for 10 days. Wound. Paste of its leaves or its juice is sprinkled over the wound. Lice. Paste of flowers or is applied locally at the scalp. Use of Mahaneem in Panchkarma procedure. For headache, a poultice made from the leaves and flowers is being used in Panchkarma. Thank you.